Municipal Solid Waste Management, MSWM, poses a considerable challenge to a local government in a rural area like Ngao Subdistrict Municipality. The municipality has a tight budget that has to be allocated to provide a range of public services to deliver, including MSWM to serve its population of 10,000. To collect the 10 tons of waste that was generated every day and send it to disposal would cost the municipality more than $230,000 per year, a tenth of its annual budget. At the same time, households could not afford to pay the waste management fees that would allow the waste removal service to be cost recovery. But if waste was not properly managed, it could have caused many environmental impacts: global warming, loss of materials, and the ocean waste problem. Thailand ranks number 6 in the world in terms of plastic waste to the ocean, and it was estimated that 80% was from the land, in particular the areas without proper waste removal service. The 1-2-0 public participation model for waste management is an initiative that has been running for several years to co-produce the public service. The number 1 represents the unity of people and organizations in Ngao, both public and private, in addressing the waste problem. The number 2 represents the journey towards a common goal that has continued since at least 2014. And the number 0 represents that very goal of zero waste, managing the waste by diverting it from landfill as much as possible. This is in line with the target 12.5 of the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, reducing the amount of waste that is generated through prevention, reduction, reuse, and recycling. The main purposes of the initiative are: 1. To reduce the amount of waste disposal. Also, shut down the open dump sites that had been a major source of pollution in the sub-district. 2. To promote public participation in the reduction, the reuse, and the recycling of products and materials in order to create a sustainable consumption pattern. And 3. To share both responsibility and ownership in providing public service and fully utilizing natural resources to enhance economic, social, and environmental benefits. Since its inception in 2014, the model has grown to become one. In addition, it is a collaboration between the government, private organizations, and people in the area. It is also a collaborative effort between outside agencies such as Mae Fah Luang University and Rajamongkala Technological University of Lana, Chiang Rai Provincial Public Health Office, Provincial Natural Resources and Environment Office Green Line Energy Company Limited, etc., that have played a role in supporting the knowledge of environmental management in the community. The separation of 3 R's, reduce, reuse, recycle, at the household, village, and sub-district level has been defined by the community in order to create a social norm for the separation of waste from all household sources. The weight of garbage is through the mobile application system, covering 4 types of waste: organic waste, waste recycling, general waste, and hazardous waste. The hazardous waste is sorted out to be disposed of safely with the Chiang Rai Provincial Administration Organization's D2C system. The community-based waste management in Ngao consists of 2 steps. The first step is to collect household waste separately in your own home, by mutual agreement of the community. By studying waste sorting data from the mobile application system, of which the municipality is a mentor, it helps to install it via a mobile system that is accessible to the public. In doing so, if any household does not understand the use, there will be a community committee with children and youth to provide advice. To create a social norm of waste separation from all household sources. The second step is at a community level, where regulations and rules are enforced through regular inspection and evaluation every other week. The evaluation is based on the assessment form provided by the people in the community, and using the mobile application system to report information to the Ngao Subdistrict Municipality, the data center. To assess how much household or community waste has been sorted out, the application system has adopted a community rule called the tricolor flag, which is a symbol for community and household monitoring. Let the youth decide what colors to use. Green refers to households that have a properly separated waste and no waste, or waste not exceeding 5 kilograms a month. Yellow refers to households that have separated the waste and have 5 to 10 kilograms of waste left over a month. Red refers to households that do not cooperate in separating waste or to separate the garbage. They also have more than 10 kilograms of waste left over a month. The monitoring system provides feedback to the community about the level of participation in each village. It also helps the municipality to coordinate with a junk shop to come and buy recyclables that are separated by villagers. The revenue generated from selling of recyclables is then channeled to skill development for craftsmanship clubs in the area. Different occupational groups are also encouraged to use waste as raw materials as much as possible. Products like caps sewn from waste cloths are popular in the market and generate additional revenues for the people.
ได้บ้านตำบลเหงาเนาะก็ได้แยกขยะรวมกับเทศบาลเหงาเนาะย่ามาอยู่ปี57แล้วเจ้าก็เริ่มช่วยกันสามัคคีกันอยู่เจ้านี่ก็สะอาดดีเจ้าไปทางใดก็พอก็ดีงามอยู่เนาะ
Households in the 20 villages have vigilantly participated in the initiative. 95% of households have been working on waste diversion and reduced the amount of rubbish that needs to be disposed of by 87%. Out of 18 open dump sites, only one is still in use, while the other 17 are closed. Spatial data has also been used to address health and cleanliness issues in the community, according to statistics from the period between 2014 and today. Ngao has become a model for other local governments in Chiang Rai Province. It serves as a learning center for sustainable environmental management for Tung District. It was also selected by the Thai Environmental Institute as a runner-up in the program Reducing Global Warming by Our Hands in 2017 and made a presentation in Japan. Ngao has welcomed guests from all over the world and partners in several sustainability projects, such as in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs training titled Sufficiency, Economy, Philosophy, From Theory and Practices to Standardization. 120 is a model that encourages people, organizations, and local organizations to jointly separate and recycle the materials as much as possible. The emphasis is on the process of participation in the development and implementation of community activities. Information technologies are also used to enable seamless communication and monitoring that provides information for directing communities' actions. This leads to a pleasant environmental, healthy people, and wealthy economy.